watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Jefferson, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Racine, Rock, Sheboygan, Walworth, Washington, and Waukesha, and the following: nearshore waters around Sheboygan to Port Washington, nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Two Rivers to Sheboygan, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Lake and McHenry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to Mid-Lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Port Light, Wisconsin, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles east of Oostburg to 7 nautical miles west of Port Washington, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include North Point Lighthouse and Port Washington. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service